In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get fragments in Blox Fruits level 700. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are currently level 700 in Blox Fruits, I'm gonna be talking about all of the options that you have to earn fragments. There are various different ways to earn them, and you will be able to choose whichever one you prefer, according to how much time you have and to your personal preferences. So all of these can be done on the second C. There are other methods exclusive to the third C, but in this video, I'm going to be focusing on this one. So first, the primary way and the one that most people grind for fragments are going to be raids. You can easily farm a bunch of fragments by just spamming raids over and over. You can get up to 1,000 fragments per completed raid, as long as you do it in a quick fashion. So usually under 5 minutes, you will be able to earn the maximum, and all that you have to do is gather good players and then spam them. If you have a good loadout and good fruits, you will be able to do this over and over and over again. Of course, most people think that it is very boring, or you might not be prepared, and in that case, then you will have to do other activities. You can join raids as soon as you are level 700, but you might not be able to optimally farm them. So the other options are going to include C raids. These are events that randomly happen while you are at the sea. And by destroying these brigades, you are able to earn 50 fragments per standard brigade, and you will be able to earn a little bit more per grand brigade, so 100. So all that you have to do is seek out these raids, and you will be able to destroy these brigades to earn your fragments. Of course, this isn't the biggest amount, but it is a very chill way to go about doing this. And you can also get fruits as random drops. So maybe you get lucky and you get a mythical fruit. Next, you have raid bosses such as Darkbeard, which is level 1000, so you might not be able to tackle him head on, but it is still an option, and he will give you 1500 fragments. And finally, the last option available on the second sea are going to be sea beasts. Once again, this is sort of a mini event that happens while you are sailing at the sea, and by defeating these beasts, you are able to earn up to 250 fragments. I hope I was able to help you on how to get fragments in Blox Fruits level 700. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.